In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ACBuy step by step. So first, you want to go to acbuy.com/home, and you want to paste the product link here. Click search. So if you don't have a product link, there are two methods to doing this. First method is to go to a review subreddit page like Quality Reps, where people post their product reviews. For example, this person is reviewing or is doing a review on the PRD bomber jacket made by Satan Made. And as you can see here, they're posting pictures. And if you really like this product, then you can scroll down. They usually post the link to the Weedian. So you want to copy, and then you want to paste this. But you want to make sure you get rid of the spaces, because maybe they don't allow for links. And you want to click on search, and then you'll see risk reminder. Sometimes they have this pop up. You want to click on the escape key on your keyboard to get rid of it. And then you can make your adjustments to your purchase. So you can see I put large, make sure I check this for the disclaimer. And for the product details, you can click on the picture and it'll actually translate everything for you, which is pretty cool. And you can make the decision to add to cart or buy now. So I can click on add to cart. And then you want to make sure that, if you're looking for the second method is through Yupu. So you want to make sure you go to this Reddit page here. I will post this in the description, but basically it's just like a big directory of like all these stores, and they have like description on like whatever you want. So if you want like design pieces, you can go to this link, Top Hot Fashion. I'm going to open a link here. And then on this page, you can look through the images, see what you like. For example, maybe I want these shorts. And then I can see the images of the shorts. And if I like it, then I can copy the Weedian link here. So they usually post the link. And then you can copy and paste. Click search. And then you can make the adjustments here. Make sure everything's good. And click add to cart. And as you can see both items here. You want to click on view cart once you're finished. And then you want to select your items. And you can click on estimate to kind of check the shipping option. Check now. And then you'll see there's like a bunch of options here for the size and weight. So usually you want to choose the cheapest one. So you can choose this one, right? Or you can choose Canada Post or whatever you feel like choosing, but usually people go for like the cheapest one, and it's usually pretty fast, depending on how you want it or when you want it. And then once you finish checking, you can click check now, or sorry, you can click check out. You want to make sure you like select everything, and then you want to click check out. And then once you have confirmed your order, you want to make sure you click on I have read and agreed, and then you want to click on submit. And basically what they do is they ship these items to the warehouse, and they give you pictures on the product, and then everything's good, they'll ship it to you. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks for watching.